think I'm ready. I have it. It's in my hand. प्यारा सा टिकली. Bigger no. This. Yeah, ready. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pre-Season Era. I'm Priyanshi and today's video is a very special video because one of my special friends, she's going to do my makeup for Diwali and I'm very excited because this is the first time I'm allowing someone other than my family to actually do makeup on my face. So let's see, it's going to be a very minimal makeup because none of us are experts here, and honestly I want to go with a simple look for Diwali this year. So we're going to do a little bit of makeup, a little bit of talking, and I'm very excited to take you all along with me. Hi guys, so this is Neha.
Hello guys.
You all have seen her in my Garba vlog also. She's gonna do my makeup and we're very excited. And how are you feeling? Excited, yes. Because we're also organizing the party, so we're also we wanna see how that will go. But before that, we will do my makeup.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's get started. Where is my BB cream? Did I not?
हाथ में पकड़ के where is my BB? Guys, you're applying BB cream, just in case you're wondering. मैंने सांस रोक ली थी. Oh my God, मैंने सांस की रोकी थी. Really?
Let me breathe.
I can do it. I'm not. I can't. I just stop. Wait, do I? Should I?
Get a darker shade.
So guys, you can see how Neha knows really like tricks and tactics here. Good. I have to apply kajal. Give. I'll apply.
No, to your eyebrows.
No, eyebrows are looking so dark already. It's good only. No.
Okay.
Kajal, you want to apply? You want me to apply? Am I going to apply this on my cheeks?
And nose.
Should I just do it right now? Nose कर लेती हूँ ना. Done? Too much happened, bro.
No, it's good. Cute.
Guys, too much. I think it's a little too much, but it's good. I think इतना दिख के नहीं आएगा. काजल. Now you all will see मेरे skills जो काजल लगाने आता है. ये मेरा ही काजल है क्या?
हाँ.
है ना? Why are you so focused? Bro, my hand is slippery. Guys, we are applying Sky High mascara. Thank you. मेकअप तो तुझे करना था और बिकॉज गाइज मेरी आंखें बहुत सेंसिटिव है. इट्स सेंसिटिव सो आई डोंट लेट एनीवन गेट टू क्लोज. सो ओ टिकली इज मिसिंग. मेरी टिकली कितनी छोटी दिख रहा है. See? सच्चे प्यारा प्यारा सा टिकली. It's a little bigger than that. Very little. Not too much. Are you? Good, good.
This one is it?
It is. Man? This looks bigger, no?
No, it's good. Shut up.
Fine. Okay then. अभी टाइम है ना. देखा, we got done so quickly. We thought it will take an hour.
So good it is.
Put more. More. इतना enough रहना चाहिए ना. Guys, बोले चूड़िया has happened.
There are two bullet today, but this is not Mumbai's suffering.
What was your favorite subject in school?
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. You had Sanskrit in school.
I had Sanskrit from 6th to 12th.
Wow.
And each year I got full marks.
Sanskrit.
There was not a single year that I hadn't scored full.
Teach me a word. Like a nice phrase, maybe. Phrase.
Jiveta Sharada Shatam, which is
Okay, which is?
live 100 years. So on your birthday, instead of saying happy birthday, you say Jiveta Sharada Shatam.
Jiveta
Sharada Shatam.
Shatam.
Jive, live. Sharad is like the season. You live to see 100 sharads.
Oh. Did I also answer? My favorite subject in school was. It will take me time to think. Football was definitely there. Like, it wasn't a subject though. I think it was English. I really liked English. Except like in my 11th and 12th, psychology was the subject that really interested me. But psycho is the only subject that I studied a lot, and business. And business was a subject that I really liked. But only in 11th and 12th I started studying, guys. Before that I was just doing whatever. Like, I don't think I was studying because football was going on, no? It was very hectic. But now I have to manage everything. So it was psych, business maybe in my 11th and 12th. What's your go-to hairstyle? I think this one has to be this one. Yeah, she likes this hairstyle too much, guys. It's her go-to. Every now and then, कुछ भी हो जाए, like she will tie her hair into a bun and she has these nice bangs. It also looks really like effortless. So it's a good thing, I think.
Yeah, it's
Suits
my
you really well.
shape, face shape. It's round, so it looks.
Mine is ponytail. Mine is always a ponytail. Either it will be here or with like ऐसे middle part and then a pony. Because it's my go-to. School में ना हमारे वही था. Did you all have like a hairstyle like you had to follow in school? क्या था? Oh, ponytail जैसे pigtails. हाँ, हमारे स्कूल में भी था before अवसरा. लेकिन अवसरा में things changed. That's when we could like style our hair anyway, and no one really cared. Except it had to be in one, like you know, ponytail, one plate, or something like you know, ek choti. But you could style it anyhow, and it was accepted there. Nice. But I never did anything, guys. Isliye I'm stuck to ponytail here. Also, I'm gonna learn something. Let's see. What's the funniest thing that happened in high school?
Funniest thing. I don't know.
Don't remember. I mean, मेरे 12th में what was the Funniest thing.
I mean, there were many funny guys. There wasn't a funny thing.
I can't think of anything funny from high school. A lot of things happened, but I don't know. I can't recall anything. I can recall some really nice things that happened.
But funny.
Funny तो याद ही नहीं आ रहा. Funny मतलब आके चला जाता है guys. ऐसा ही होता है. It happens and it's gone. Like out of our memory. I can't recall only when I have to recall funny things that happened to me or just in general. It's tough. Who's your celebrity crush?
Dev Patel.
Who's Dev Patel, bro?
The guy in Lion, do you know?
Oh, that guy. Bro. Why?
I don't know. I like his acting. I like his personality. And that guy, Matthew something.
Some Hollywood guy, no? Yeah, no, I don't know. Where, in which movie did he act?
I don't know his movies, but he has written this book, Green Light.
Celebrity crush. She has narrowed it down to books again. Give one.
Writer crush.
Author, and then maybe you can talk about a book maybe that you would, I don't know, recommend.
The book is Job Paul Sartre's Nausea, which is a philosophical book.
Yeah, depressing book. She said. I started and never finished. Never, guys. I don't want to even go back. It's that bad. Because I don't know. It's just different.
It is
Maybe
different.
I'll read it some other day. Someday. We'll see. And then I'll be able to connect with you on that level. But yeah, I have not read that book. She gave me. But I couldn't. Oh. My celebrity crush. I have many. No, I don't have many. I really like this one. Sunny Kaushal. I don't know why. I just like his looks.
Who?
Sunny Kaushal.
Who is that guy?
Vicky Kaushal ka bhai.
Oh,
He looks very humble and approachable. Which is not very, celebrity kind of thing. Celebrity crush is Sunny Kaushal. Hers is Dev Patel. We'll move on now. If you were an animal, what would you be?
yeah.
She would have been, I think, a cat or a bird. But animal thought a bird.
You did the same.
So basically, she would have been, I think, a cat, and I think I would have also been a cat.
What do you look for in a person when you first see them?
Oh, that I can't answer.
No, I mean, what do you observe?
Oh, what do you notice when you see them? Their eyes. I see their eyes. That's the first thing I look at. I think that's how I decide if they're approachable or not. You? What do you look at?
I look at the entire person.
Hey, hi! Hey, this is such a tricky question. Look at her cheating like this. You look at one thing, no? You notice one thing first. What is that one thing you notice? You don't completely scan them in the first look, right?
Hair, I think.
Why hair?
Makes me decide if they are like tidy or not.
Nice. Alright guys, with that we come to an end to this video. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel Pre-Season Era, and if you want more such videos, then comment and let me know.
If you want to see me more, please also comment.
Bye.
Bye.